Okay, we've already written a program that'll draw some bombs on the screen in a two-dimensional array. And everything is based on these constants right here. And you know, the actual code down here to calculate the rectangle for everything is pretty short and pretty simple. I mean, the width and the height are as simple as you can get. They're just straightforward assignment statements. And figuring the x is just, you got to go over a ways from the left edge. And then it's c times the cell width. And same thing going from the top. So it's not really very hard to figure out how to do this. And the nice thing is that we can go up here and we can change these to, you see, they were kind of small last time, so let's try to make them all about like 50 by 50. And that was a square image anyway. And I'm going to just, set this to 0. So we're going to try to fill the whole screen here. So if I'm doing 50, actually it's not going to work because it's 480 pixels. But I should be able to do 9 rows, and that get me up to 450 with a 30 pixel row along the bottom, and then 16 columns will get me exactly 800. So this should fill the whole width and leave a strip about 30 pixels wide at the bottom. Let's run it and see what we get. And there it is. If we count these, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So they're all being displayed on the screen here, and I can go click on any one of these and it'll tell me exactly what row and what column I'm in. And I think that is pretty much everything that we need to know about using the mouse. The main things that are mouse specific here are, first of all, set the mouse visible equal to true. Then see if the mouse was clicked on this tick of the clock. So it had to have been released on the previous one and pressed on this click or this tick. And then we check to see if the mouse was clicked, and then you can find out if it's in a specific rectangle by doing this. And we know what the row and the column are because of the value of R and C right here. So that's probably the easiest way to find out if you've clicked on a specific cell on the screen or not. At the bottom, we do what we always do. We copy the current value of our input device into a previous variable. And then down here, it's just a matter of drawing the cells on the screen. With the simplest version of draw, we've got a texture, we've got a rectangle, and we do the color white.